Hey guys, part 2 because my other one descended. I don't know why. But anyway, look at this. Look at that.
I see a bigger one.
Look at that. It's insane, man.
Yeah. There might be a big one.
There's so
I'm
many.
taking that.
Wow. So cool. But if you didn't watch the last video, this is what I got in the last video so far. But thank you. I am going to.
You want to put your jacket on?
Oh, that one's got a little crack in the middle. Poor you. Let's flip it over. It's a big crack. It's massive. Massive crack. Okay. What else? Okay, apparently Daniel's not bothered to pick one up, so he's just playing football with it.
This is my football.
What is he doing with that?
Is this normal size?
Oh, actually, can I get another one, like this one or something? Can I get a smaller one, like that one you can get, or like a normal size? Yeah. What am I? Am I allowed, like this one? Oh. Yeah, true. Okay, guys, come on. Yeah, true. Come on, let's get.
Oh my lord!
Okay, that one's broken. Okay. Let's see. Let's look for. Oh, I think I see one. I think I see one. Guys, I just found one. It's tiny. Might look big in the camera, but it's not. It's tiny. Mom, give me a sec. I found one. Mine. Look, it's so cute. So cute. Wow. Well, Mum, where is this? Where are we? Histon. Right, go to the pumpkin patch in Histon this year. I recommend going because at first you don't see many pumpkins, but really the people in England are really nice. And in Histon, there are so many pumpkins that you get to find in the pumpkin patch. Some of them are big, some of them are like this size, like massive. And some of them, they're just like so small. It's so crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna end it there. And when we get home, I might record myself carving. I might record other insane sights at Histon, but that's it for now, fellas. Bye.